If you're feeling a little bit lonely or kind of weird about the holidays, we have Thanksgiving coming up in a couple days. If you're going to be alone for the first time during Thanksgiving, or possibly you're going to be around family, but you're just not vibing with it, you just feel kind of lonely, then this video is definitely for you. Number one, normalize your feelings. If you're feeling sad or you're feeling a little blue or you're not really sure what you're feeling and maybe you're not even looking forward to the holidays, normalize that. It's okay, sis. You don't have to be perky every single day of the year. It's really weird when you're first single. And for some of us, we're used to it, but there's a lot of women that just got separated or divorced this year and it hasn't been great. So these holidays are coming up and now you're kind of feeling a little bit lost, and that's okay. Don't beat yourself up over it. Just go with it. Number two, it's okay if it's not exactly the same. If every year you and your spouse made a turkey or you made whatever you made and you have all these dishes, you don't have to do that year after year. It's actually kind of refreshing to do something a little different. 3 years ago, my dog, his name was Kona, he's a pug, and he lived to almost 16 years. And he died in the very last day of October that year before Thanksgiving and Christmas. I was like heartbroken. I loved him. He was my best friend. And so that, I forget what I even did that Thanksgiving. I'm pretty sure I spent it with my kids. And then on Christmas, everybody had made plans because I was supposed to go out of town to be with my parents. And there was this horrible snowstorm. So I didn't tell my kids, oh, I'm not going on the trip. There's nothing I could do. I was going to sit in a, what do you call it, an airport in Seattle and probably have to sleep there. So my mom and I, and my parents and I, we just decided I'm just going to stay home. But I wasn't going to call my kids and go, oh, now cancel your plans. So I stayed home on Christmas. It was super weird. I didn't cook anything. I wasn't sad about it. I think I had a waffle or something. And then my birthday is December 29th. I was supposed to be with my family, right? So I spent my birthday by myself. I just stayed home. What am I going to do? And so I'm not the type of person who's going to call people and go, hey, it's my birthday. And then New Year's came and I was alone on New Year's. Well, guess what? Okay, it was not the best holiday season, but I didn't cry and I didn't feel sorry for myself and I got through it. It's just a day. And I realized Christmas is super important and Thanksgiving and New Year's, those things are beautiful. But if it's not exactly the same that you've had all your life or your married life or with your children, that is okay, Queen. Let me reassure you, loneliness, that feeling does not mean you are not loved. You are loved. It's just different. It's you that's feeling different, and possibly people around you are feeling different about it too. And that's okay. That's life. I always say life is just choices and experiences. And this is just an experience. And you just go through it. You'll live through it, but don't feel like you're not loved and you're not forgotten. And you may be going to a gathering of 40 people and you've just had the experience of losing your husband or going through a divorce, and you're going to feel like a little island in the middle of all these people. And I think it's actually worse to feel lonely when you're around people than when you're just all by yourself. So just go with the flow. And then there's some of you who are just going to be cheerful and festive and everything's perfect. But I'm really trying to tap into the people that are feeling somewhat lonely and just a little bit lost this year for the holidays. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. My name is Kristine Kay, and I'm a certified healing coach. I also do tarot readings and I'm a psychic. That's my other business. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here. If you get anything from my videos, please give me a little like. Comments are awesome. They help so much. And consider subscribing to the channel. Last but not least, number 4, take the pressure off yourself. Please make it special, make it fun. If you're by yourself, Eat something you love. Watch something you love. If you're going to be in a group and you're just kind of dreading it, just go with the flow. Drive your own car. You don't have to stay forever. Just take the pressure off yourself. The holidays are very special and they're important, but I see so many people who put so much pressure on themselves to make it perfect. And girls, guess what? We have a brand new year coming. I can't wait for it. And I'll have lots of new tips and things coming up. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you're doing. I'd love to hear about you. I'm trying to build a community of women. I'm always excited. Even if I get one subscriber, I'm over here jumping up and down like a little kid, and I'm okay with that. I actually love it. It's exciting to me. It means one person actually listened and thought that I gave them some type of inspiration or comfort. I'm here for you. Until the next video.